Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to this module of editing it the smart way. And I'm sure you're gonna have huge takes and huge fun going through this particular video. Now, let's just jump right into it. Now, we saw the most easiest way, we saw the hard way, and now let's see the integration of both of it, wherein you create the coolest artwork in the most fastest possible way. So, the idea over here is simple. The steps are going to be the same, which are the 5 steps, but the conceptualization, the end output, is going to be done by AI. And this is where you just need to, you just need to find the output, right? How exactly it needs to be. Then comes the downloading and creating the asset. It will be done by AI. Editing. In editing, we are going to use the Video Pro formula, but visualization is going to be done by AI. Inserting media is going to be done by AI. Captions will also be done by AI. Enhanced text will also be done by AI. Audio is something that you guys need to do, and technically audio was also been done by AI, so you guys need to simply import it. Then comes polishing transition. This is something you guys need to do it, or refine colors, and then simply if you guys want, you can add the call to action and simply render it. And because most of this process is already being done by AI, so it is QC proof, then you can simply go ahead and render it, right? You guys excited to show see how exactly it works? Okay, let's do this. Now once you come to the home page, simply click on long videos to shorts, right? The next step is pretty simple, right? You can simply go ahead, take your file, drag it and drop it over here. All right, it's as simple. Now I have already did this, and every single thing, all right, text, it consumes your minutes. All right, so just keep an eye on that. So I have already did this, so I'll simply go ahead and click on this particular project. So with that said, AI has generated, with just a few clicks, AI has generated 5 viral worthy shots for us. And not just that, right? It is also giving us feedback that why this shot, why we have personally chosen this particular shot, and why it's more likely to go viral. For example, this particular shot, it's on topic, right? This particular shot, it's engaging. This particular shot, it's trending. This particular shot is engaging, and this is nothing. Okay, whatever. So let's take a look at the trending one. All right, what it has to say.
I believe you.
So how
It's the same what we did. All right, it was super trending, and this is how exactly you guys can do it.
do you
Now
see this
you
playing
might
out,
say,
especially for small business owners, creatives, the people who have this gift that they want to give the
all right, now you might say, okay, Harry, makes sense,
still
but
trying to-
this is something we already did, right? So what's new? I'll tell you what's new. Simply come over here, simply click on edit. All right, once you click on edit, then it will take you to this new panel over here. Of course, I gave this option to you guys the last time, that you can simply go ahead and edit if you guys want to. Okay, just give me a moment. It's loading. All right, if you guys want to do this, you guys can actually do this by simply clicking over here. But in case, you guys, our goal right now is to customize it in the super fastest way. So we'll simply click on edit more. And this is, all right, this is where the real magic will happen. CapCut itself will not only give you the entire project line trimmed, but it will also, arrange it to you in a much more systemized way, which is it will do the split thing, that we already did. And it will also make sure that it adds, the cinema view, that we actually saw. So it will do every single thing for us within just a matter of few clicks. Now let's take a look at this. All right, we almost there. Fuck. Okay, no fuck. All right. Okay. So just take a look at this. All right, just take a look at this. Literally every single thing is available right in front of you, super customized, and in a way that you guys can simply go ahead and do whatever the magic that you guys want. Just take a look at this.
So how do you see this playing out, especially for small business owners, creatives, the people who have this like gift that they want to give the world? They're still trying to understand all the business elements that come with it, that AI could potentially help them bolster this to make their gifts sustainable. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's education. I think in 1996, when I was building a website
Every single thing, ladies and gentlemen, every single thing is right kept in front of your plate. All you guys need to do is simply go ahead and do a few tweaks here and there, right? So if you see visualization, this is done, right? Inserting media, this is done. Designing caption, this is done. Now comes about the text, right? So what you guys can do is simply go ahead and click over here. Now over here, you can simply click on AI packaging and okay. And over here, you can simply click on start, right? Now, once you click on start, this is where the real magic will happen. Just take a look, all right? AI will literally go ahead, all right? AI will find sound effects for you. AI will find text effects for you, and it will generate it right in the project in a way that you can simply go ahead and edit it, all right? Not just that, whatever, all right? Whatever the text, the highlights, that it will create. It will go through your entire script, and personally with AI, it will find that what is the most important part over here, and it will highlight the same text. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's possible, and that is happening right in front of us, which I will show you in a moment. But also a small caution, it won't be 100% perfect, but 70 to 80% of the work will be done over here. Rest customization is something that we will be doing. So even I'm like excited to see the output. Awesome. So it has added 46 materials, all right? 46, that's crazy. Let's take a look, all right?
I believe you.
So how do you see this playing out, especially for small business owners, creatives, the people?
Just take a look at this, all right? These are the elements, that it has added. Now, let's do this. Let's close the earlier subtitles and let's take a look at what all things it has done for us so far, all right?
I believe you.
So how do you see this playing out, especially for small business owners, creatives?
Small business owner, creatives. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy.
People who have this like gift that they want to give the world, they're still.
If you saw, this was a sound effect. Again, it's a bit childish, amateurish, but it is, like done for you, right? In next like 1-2 years, it will just go on like complete next level.
Trying to understand all the business elements that come with it, that AI could potentially help them bolster this to make their gifts sustainable. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's education. I think in 1996, when I was building a website for WineLibrary.com, and I talked to fellow business owners who were much older than me, in their 30s, 40s, 50s, when I was 21,
Really?
there was an incredible dismissiveness. There was a knowledge that the internet was here and that websites existed, but most businesses didn't think it was for them.
Yeah.
Like, it's not that long ago.
Yeah.
It's really genuinely only 25 years ago when the majority of people in business did not think they needed a website.
Yeah.
So I think right now, most people don't think they need to know AI. And I think the same way everybody has come around over the last 2.5 decades to realizing it's pretty improbable. Like if you don't have a website, it means you have a massive social media presence and that's acting as your website.
Sure.
But most people don't have neither.
Sure.
You see, again, I understand. Look, it's not 100% there, right? But if you see, like, if you could just like retweak this, right? For example, you can simply like click over here, right? Go back to templates and choose like whatever template that you like, right? For example, let's just search for something. Let's see if there's something that we have already downloaded. Let's try using this. Let's try using this. Again, there's some problem because of the VPN stuff. But you guys got the idea, hopefully. Yes or no, I don't know. All right, it's taking a good time. The reason is of course the VPN, but rest, if you guys could just simply go to this text template and use the same, right? In short, the kind of cognitive effort, has reduced drastically. All you guys need to do is just like simply like drag and drop further, right? Now, as you guys can see, this particular part is already done, which is text, right? The organizing the audio. So you can simply like drag and drop this, the sound effect and everything was already done. Polish transition, this is something you can add the way we did. Refine it with colors and simply like add and call to action the way we did. It's as easy. Yeah, you guys can see this, right? So it has, like worked on this, right? So all you guys need to do right now is simply go ahead and select like whatever you want. Right now, because of the VPN stuff, I simply can't see this, but let's say if this is something, that, again, I'm not sure if it will apply or not. Okay, over here, take a look, right? Social media presence that's what they're talking about. Again, this is the worst. Okay, over here, right? Let's take a look at this. If I just download and click this. Yep. Now just take a look at this, right?
Social media presence, and
That's all.
Massive
That's
social
that's
media-
crazy, right? Add a background over here, and you are almost done. Now just like do this with all of this, and the text thing is almost done. Then further, you can simply go ahead and add rest of the stuff, right? And because everything is done by the AI itself, so technically there will be very much less chances of QC. Then you can simply go ahead and export it usually the way we do it, right? Awesome. So I hope you found this like really valuable. I personally like can't wait to see like what is in it for us in the next like 2-3 years, because I have even seen like few AI generating automatically B-rolls, images, captions, graphic, everything. And believe me, Canva is on the way to do that. There's a thing called CapCut, all right? CapCut is on the way to do that. There's a thing called CapCut Commerce. If I like tell you guys about what exactly it is, you guys will just like lose your mind, right? But let's keep that for another day. And with that said, thank you so much for, if you have done this so far with me till here, you are not just a person who is interested. You are not just a person who is committed. You're not just an action taker, but you are an action completer. So thank you so much for being whoever you are. Thank you so much for being an action completer. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the very next project. Take care.